Hey guys, and welcome back to the Accumulation Zone. In today's video, I'm going to compare the best future funding firms. It's an unbiased review, and I'm really excited that I finally do this video because on my daily Discord live streams, I have been asked so many times which prop firms I recommend. And if you like to support small YouTube creators like myself who really put a lot of effort into these little videos to help you to pick your favorite prop firm, then please consider using the affiliate links in the description box below. That would really mean a lot to me. So thanks very much guys, and now let's continue with the video. Let's get started right away and take a look at all the prop firms that I will be comparing today. The first one is TOPSTEP. The second one is going to be TOPSTEP Funding. The third one is going to be Take Profit Trader, then Trade Day and InnerCircletrader Funding. But before we continue with the first prop firm, let's first ask ourselves the most important questions when it comes to choosing a specific prop firm. And in my opinion, that most important question should be, how do they pay out funded traders? Because at the end of the day, all we want from them is money. It's simple. We trade and we want to get paid. And we want that process as easy as it can possibly be. So that's always my first question. The second question you should ask yourself, or pretty much ask the prop firm, is what rules do you have to follow? Well, the third question would be, how much does the challenge / the activation cost? So how much do I have to invest? The fourth point is going to be, how well established is the company? So now we already know the most important questions that we should ask ourselves before considering to sign up with a prop firm. And now let's get started right away with TOPSTEP. And to keep it simple, I'm going to be comparing the 50k challenges of each prop firm. So how does TOPSTEP pay out their funded traders? With TOPSTEP you receive 50% of your total profit after 5 trading days over $200 in profit, and you receive 100% after 30 days over $200 in profit. And I really like what TOPSTEP did here with their payout policy, because then the trader has a defined profit goal for the day. You don't have to make much more than that. Once you reach your above $200 profit, you're fine. You don't have to continue and chase something and try to reach the payout threshold in one single day. It's psychological, and I really like what they've done here. You start to recognize that they really put some thought into their rules. For a 50k account with TOPSTEP, you have to follow the following rules. You have to reach a 6% profit target. You have 4% max drawdown, which is being calculated end of day, so not intraday trailing threshold. It's going to be calculated with your account balance at the end of the day. You can trade up to 5 mini contracts, 50 micros. You need to have 4 minimum trading days to qualify. There's a 50% consistency rule. You're also allowed to do news trading. And you have a $1,000 max daily loss on the 50k account. But if you reach that max daily loss, that's not a rule break. You just can't continue to trade on this specific trading day. The investment for a 50k TOPSTEP account would be a monthly fee of $165. They're currently running a discount, so right now a 50k challenge only costs $49 US, and if you pass a challenge you have to pay a $149 activation fee. And last but not least, TOPSTEP was founded in 2012. They are a very transparent company, and if you want to learn more about TOPSTEP and their founder, check out their website and YouTube channel, because Michael Patek is really a cool guy. He used to be a pits trader, and really cool backstory there, so make sure to check that out. So let's continue with our second contestant, which would be TOPSTEP Funding. With TOPSTEP Funding you can request a max payout of $2,000 after reaching a $2,600 profit target after you paid the activation fee and became funded. And you can request payouts twice per month for 3 months. Afterwards, you're uncapped, so you are actually able to pay out more than $2,000. You need 10 minimum trading days between withdrawals and also before you can get your first payout. The rules that you have to follow are very simple as well. 6% profit target, 5% max drawdown, so 1% more than with TOPSTEP. But the difference here is that you have a trailing threshold. And this trailing threshold is compared to TOPSTEP, not calculated at the end of the day. It's an intraday trailing drawdown, so it also tracks your unrealized P&L. Let's say you made $1,000 in profit, but you didn't realize it, and now you're back at break even basically. So that means that you would only have $1,500 of your 5% max drawdown available for this trading day. And that's the difference to TOPSTEP, where your drawdown is going to be calculated end of day and not intraday with your unrealized profits. You need 7 minimum trading days, and news trading is also allowed. And note, there's no consistency rule. You have to pay a monthly fee of $167, and Apex, everyone knows about that. They usually have a 80 or 90% sale going on. So right now you only pay $38 and a $159 activation fee if you pass the challenge. They've been founded in 2021 by a community of traders, apparently since 2008, but I couldn't really find much more info. And if you want to find more about them, of course, check out their website. So now let's quickly get through our third contestant, which would be TOPSTEP Funding. I specifically put it right after Apex because there's really nothing new here. You can simply pause the video here and compare both firms, because the major points would be that with TOPSTEP Funding you can only get paid out once per month. You can choose between a trailing threshold or a end of day drawdown calculation. Here you also have a consistency rule, which makes it harder for the traders, and they also don't have 80 or 90% discounts going on, which makes it more expensive. So really, if I would have to pick between Apex and TOPSTEP Funding, I would certainly go with Apex. And now let's continue with our fourth contestant, which would be Take Profit Trader. And I really like this firm because they keep it simple. You can request immediate payouts without any complicated rules. That's really all we want as traders from a funding company. Let's check the rules. You have a 6% profit target, a 4% max drawdown, which is calculated end of day. There's no contract limit. You have 5 minimum trading days, and there's a 50% consistency rule. News trading is allowed, and you have a daily loss limit of $1,100, which compared to TOPSTEP, where if you reach that $1,000 maximum daily loss, where you just can't continue to trade for that specific trading day, the difference to Take Profit Trader is that you actually fail the challenge if you reach that daily loss limit of $1,100, which is calculated at the end of the trading day. But the mind-blowing thing, in my opinion, is that you can reset your funded account. So once you pass the challenge, you can reset that funded account up to 3 times. So let's say you're, for example, in some drawdown and you do not really want to work your way out of this drawdown. You can simply reset that account for $100 and continue trading on your funded account without having to work your way out of the drawdown or basically starting a new challenge. The monthly fee is $170. Currently they run a 50% discount, so the challenge right now only costs $85, and there's also a $130 activation fee. The company, Take Profit Trader, has been founded in 2021. It's a very transparent company. I really enjoyed reading through the About Us section on their website. So if you want to learn more yourself, check it out on their website. And I really want to point it out one more time. You can reset your funded account up to 3 times. That's really game-changing for the entire futures funding space. And I also like that you can request immediate payouts without any complicated rules. That's really all I want as a trader. And now we already get to our last contestant, which is Trade Day. And let's cover the rules and everything quickly. So with Trade Day, similar to Take Profit Trader, you can request immediate payouts without complicated rules. There's a 5% profit target with a 2.25% max drawdown, which is calculated at the end of the trading day. You can trade up to 5 contracts. There's a 10 minimum trading days requirement and a 30% consistency rule, which is the lowest out of all the prop firms that I've compared so far in this video. And you're also not allowed to trade news, but you can learn more about that inside of their FAQ section. The monthly fee is $165 for a 50k account, and they currently run a 20% sale So yeah, a 50k challenge would cost you $132 US. And yeah, that's really cool. There's a $0 activation fee. So really, it's the cheapest option out there if we compare it to Apex. Yes, they have their 90% sale, but if you really look at how much you pay for the activation, you get away cheaper with Trade Day. The company was founded in 2020, also a very transparent company. And if you want to learn more about Trade Day and who founded them, check out their website. And now we're already getting closer to the end of this video. Here I made a quick overview where I really want you to, look at it and pretty much choose whatever suits you best, because that's really all it is about. I can't tell you which prop firm is the best for you, but I can do my best to compare them all and present the data in a very simple format for you to choose very simply. So if you're really all about getting your payouts as quick as possible, I would recommend TOPSTEP to you, because there are no complicated payout rules. You can request immediate payouts. You can reset your funded account up to 3 times if you run a high risk strategy. And if it's really all about how easy challenge is to pass, I would recommend Apex really, because you have the lowest target to drawdown ratio. With TOPSTEP we have a 1.5 ratio, with Apex we have a 1.2 ratio, and with TOPSTEP we have a 1.5 ratio. But keep in mind that with Apex you have a intraday trailing threshold, and with all the other contestants we have a end of day drawdown calculation. And consistency rule wise, Apex wins here because they don't have a consistency rule. You can pretty much have one very big trade and then just do micro trading for the rest of the 7 minimum trading days to pass your funded account. If it's really all about money for you and you can't afford a expensive challenge, then Trade Day would be your best choice, because right now you're only paying $165, and with the current discount you only end up paying $132 because there's no activation fee. And with all the other companies you have an activation fee, so that's why they're a little bit more expensive. In my opinion, if I would have to choose, I would sign up with TOPSTEP, Apex and TOPSTEP. You can also sign up with all 4 of them to spread risk, because if you lay all your eggs in one basket, that's most of the time not the best approach. If you think about MFF, if all you did was get funded accounts with MFF, you'd be in a very shitty situation right now. And that's the end of the best futures funding firm review in 2023. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and you might have a easier time now to, if you start out with futures, to pick a specific firm that you like the most. And if you like, please consider using the affiliate links in the video description below. This is really the best way how you can support small creators like me here on YouTube, because otherwise that little small portion that would usually go to the affiliates goes to the prop firm itself.